What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and we bring you a beautiful 2021 Toyota Supra and the beautiful Pandem FRS. Which one of those may be coming to the stable very soon, but that's not the point of today's video. Today is about big soapy boobies and booties, because we're going to get a bikini car wash for the FRS. We'll see what today goes. We may not even get a car wash if there's not a lot of people there, but we'll see. We're gonna hop inside and head on over, baby. Look at that thing, it looks so good. The horn is legendary. Here he goes. That's awesome. Alright guys, we pulled up. We got them boys on the swangers. Yeah, I like it. And of course we got the ladies. We're gonna see how this works. And we're gonna get the car wash, hopefully. Alright guys, we're doing it. We're taking the FRS through the bikini car wash. That is if they take cards, because I don't have 20 bucks cash. But this will be interesting. Ready? No. Alright guys, we just paid inside. We're gonna see just how good the bikini car wash goes, because I pay $35 usually for my washes, and if I get this kind of scenery with this kind of wash, I think this will be my new place. Alright guys, I'm gonna be on my phone in here while Mason is outside. Looking like the cars in front's almost done. Let's see how good they do. Guys, we're officially in the car wash. We got people pressing up against the car. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is way better for the $35 detail. Probably not. I really hope I don't get demonetized from this, but I've never seen one of these videos on YouTube before. This is so funny. Only $20 and I can get my car shining. Yes. Yes, ma'am. That's so funny. my goodness, this is service for $20. This is insane. Ladies and gentlemen, I recommend coming out to Perky Cups for all your car wash and lingerie coffee needs. This is amazing. Yes. Got the back wing action. Hey, hey, hey. Yes, ma'am. Yes. That's so funny. What? I like this place. Right, the wash has been completed. How'd they look from the outside?
Pretty good.
We got Herbert, the pedo over there in the van, just watching. We're gonna try to go find another parking spot. Hold on one second.
There's the ankle monitor. Right there. Hold on one second.
Alright guys, here's the car. Let's take a look at just how good they did. There's a little bit of dirt still on there. Streak marks all over the roof. They didn't even get that part, but you know, what can I say? These ladies are out here just working, and the car looks pretty good for 20 bucks. I'd come here again. What do you think? What a show. This video is definitely demonetized. We got a couple more people going through right now. We got a freaking Volkswagen thing going through. I don't know how this is gonna work, but you never know. And I think Drew's actually gonna take the Supra through as well. That'll be a sight to see. All right guys, he's actually gonna do it, and they've convinced the GTR to go as well. Everyone's getting bikini car washes today. Uh-oh, we got Mr. Bape Scat pulling up. King of the jungle. And of course, Big BTV. Everybody's coming to the bikini car wash today. This is great. See you, bro. Oh yeah, that thing sounds nuts.
How quiet is this?
Alright, I'm interested to see what he's gonna do. Is he gonna put the top up? Or are they just gonna go balls to the wall, no top? I think they're gonna. What the heck? They freaking did it. They just sprayed down the whole thing. That's so funny. This car was like made in like World War II time, so I mean I can see why it can really handle anything you throw at it, especially the bikini car wash. Ay ay ay! Mommy got the cake. There he is. Wow, that thing's looking shiny and new. Alright guys, Drew's about to take the freaking 2021 Toyota Supra through the wash. Are you guys ready?
I'm so excited to just instantly demonetized.
That's what's gonna happen. It's my boy with the R32. What's up, bro? Looking good. Woo. We even got the Muscle Boys Z06 pulling up. Alright guys, here we go. Drew's bringing the 2021 Toyota Supra through the bikini car wash. Let's see how good they do. The car's already pretty clean, but there's some dirt I don't know if y'all can see, but this girl right in front of us has an ankle monitor on. That's the stuff you get when you in house arrest, boy. There's the thumbnail. Yes, sir. Oh my goodness, they got all the booties. You can't even see the Supra. Going crazy. You like Sinclair photos? You love Sinclair Photos Live. Swipe up now and make a premium account for the behind the scenes action. Hey, Drew's done with his car wash. Let's see how he liked it. You like that?
I wonder how much blurring I'm gonna have to do. Don't throw that.
Woo! Alright guys, any motorcycle guys in the chat, can you tell me if you're supposed to get the whole thing wet like that when you wash it? Because they just sprayed that whole thing down on all that leather, and I don't know if you're supposed to do that. These guys think they like motorcycles more than cars. My goodness, we may have to get a motorcycle on the channel. These dudes are very, very happy, and I can't blame them. He gave her his jacket. Oh my God! Ouch! That hurt me looking at that. Oh, Jesus Christ. All right, guys, last one we're gonna stick around for, but they got the GTR in the wash now. So in total today, we watched them do my car, the Supra, those motorcycles that just left, and now we're gonna watch a GTR. I don't really know if the cars matter as much as the show. We got GTR booty and other big booty. Alright guys, the GTR is done and it looks absolutely flawless. They're giving him the end of show spectacular. This is awesome. If you guys want a Bikini car wash part 2, leave a comment down in the comment section below. We'll go bring another car out here to get them to wash on and torque on and all that stuff. I hope this video is monetized, but it most likely won't be, so the Venmo is at the top of the description. I'm just kidding. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, smash that like button, smash the subscribe button if you want more of these videos, and I'll see you in the next video.